So this is a 16 gauge commercial hollow metal frame with the built-in pocket kit. Again, using Hawa's sliding system, it will enable you to install and remove the door from the pocket after the pocket's already been completed. So you can install the frame, do all of your drywall and your painting without contaminating the running track or being out of sequence with your material supply. So when the door is ready to be installed, the sliding hardware can be installed into the frame. Today we have a sample of the Hawa Junior 80B Pocket with a hollow metal frame. I'm going to insert the track into the system. Done. So now that we've installed the track in the system, we'll start to install the rest of the hardware. First we'll put in the rear suspension. It just simply attaches in place. Like that. Now we'll install the door. Slide the suspension onto the mounting profile, and then slide the door back into the pocket. Now we'll attach the front suspension. Front suspension again just slides and snaps into place. Okay, now that we've installed the door, we need to position the door properly in the pocket. So we're going to slide the door until it's flush with the face of the pocket, and that positions the rear suspension mechanism. We slide the door back, and then using the wrench provided in the kit, we lock the rear suspension down. Now the door is locked in position and is ready for the spring stop to activate.
Thank you for watching another episode of Tech Tips. If you found this video helpful, please like and share. What other installations and tech tips would you like to see? Please let us know in the comments below. Again, thanks for tuning in, and we will see you next time.